What's going on, my friends? I feel like I am back, just doing so well. I tell you, I hope that I got to go to a doctor's appointment today. They're going to take an x-ray. Hopefully they will have me out of the neck brace. You know, I'm not wearing it now because I'm just kind of relaxing. I'm sitting here in the van. These cushions are really, I'm impressed. I was nervous when I bought these things. They weren't going to look good in the van, but now I can sit in this van and I can, from the front to the back, kind of look at this thing and just go, you know, this van really does look good. It's so cool. Just the thoughts of what my plans are to do. I thought about maybe definitely taking a trip before it does sell in this thing. I may go to the New England states. It's just a great vehicle. Anybody who gets this van is going to be amazed with it. And I'm sure some are wondering, why are you selling it? You know, it's just, I think I've already said that, you know, I'm gonna do another van. It's just gonna split the difference here and kind of do a couple of things, you know. And I'm gonna have a van. I'm gonna do another van. It's gonna be kind of cool. It's gonna be a little bit simpler. It'd be made for just traveling. Like this one, the air conditioning unit has to happen in the other van too. So it'd be a cruising comfort or some other things I'm looking at, kind of cool. But another thing is just staying away from a lot of the heat in the summertime, and the cold in the wintertime can fix that too, you know. So we shall see, you know. But I do know that building something right now, like doing something small, is not the answer. Lumber is through the roof. That's going to be a dilemma right now. Wood is real expensive, and this thing's hard to get. So I'm kind of, until that calms down, always something. Going to have to kind of hold on that idea. But that's not to say I'm not going to invest into a lot or something. And I'm definitely planning on doing that. So, but as you guys, I'm just noticing this. I want to show this to you guys. About moisture in the van. Look at this. This van's been sitting here. Look at all that water in there. I don't know if you can tell. See all that? These things work. I'm going to go get some more. It will hold off the moisture in this vehicle. Look at all that water right there. These things do capture moisture, so we'll be going to get some more of those. On a side note, I just happened to notice that while I was in here. But anyway, I wanted to check in. I am doing so much better. I can move my neck from here to about here right now. They don't want me going all the way because of the screws. I figure they said the screws and everything will be fully fused into the bone about June, July. Even then, it's a good 6 months or more before I can really lift anything heavy. I have to be extremely careful about what I'm doing. Still having a little place where my sutures are. There's a little hole. That's what they worry about, is if that thing hasn't healed right, and I'm going to know today what the surgeon's going to do. In that little area back here, he may have to go in, redo it, and sew it back up again. I'm just now getting all the feeling back here, and you know, it's still some I can't feel, but I'm still, all the swelling really is down mostly. I got a little section right there on my head where the feeling's a little off, but we're getting there. But anyway, other than that, I am doing fantastic. As I was telling people, I feel a lot better than I look. So, and I can't believe it's been 5 weeks since I had that surgery. So I'm going to get on and start doing more videos, chit-chatting and stuff, talking more stuff about van life and my plans. Right now I'm just kind of in limbo of what my plans are. I've got to get the Velcro on the seat cushions in the back, get this adhered. We're going to be looking at that real closely. These things, some way or form or fashion, they'll be adhered to the bench so they travel well. This thing, as you know, can be converted to a table you can sit and use this bench as that too. So that's the cool factor about this as well. So a lot of cool things are going to be happening. We're going to get this thing done and situated. So, but I wanted to jump on again. I know I haven't talked or done much, but obviously I've just been trying to get back in the groove of things. I'm getting a lot of music done, and I'm like I said, I think it was a week ago or more, week and a half ago, I was cleared to drive. I'm so glad I can get out. Oh my God, that's another thing. So, because like I say, I write music full time for film and TV. I do that, but part time I like to get out and I go Grubhub a little bit and deliver food. So just to get out the house and go do stuff, man. In general, it drives you crazy not being able to do that stuff. So that feels good knowing I can do that. So, but anyway, I thank you guys again for watching so much, and we'll get back on the routine here soon and keep you posted as to what's going on with me. Thank you again. And sorry for the shakiness on the phone. I don't have my selfie stick or whatnot. So anyway, thank you again for watching. You guys have a great day. See you soon. Bye.